phase 3. White mahogany floating shelf. I have 3 layers of varnish on there. I already sanded to the touch, so now I have to add maybe 2 more layers, because this whole front section here feels porous. Back here came out perfectly, it's just here where it's a lot more porous, so I think it was trying to breathe, and this is the section that probably got irritated a little bit more, or it's the graining is not as tightly compact as here. So I'm gonna add 2 more coats of it and see if we can get a clean, smooth finish. I already sanded as well. I'm just trying to give myself a little bit more time for my paintbrush to become room temperature, because I stored it somewhere to preserve it and prevent it from getting hard. I'm gonna try and see if I put 2 shells in there as well. This one I'm gonna enjoy trying and see how I can get 1 in there. Still waiting for the paintbrush to adjust and get to room temperature. Then I will put 2 more coats on here. This is what I'm gonna use. This is what I'm gonna use to build those shells. First phase, I'm gonna sand and get everything smooth and clean. It's the fourth coat. See how it goes from here. Okay.